Doba Dropshipping Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think dropshipping is easy money, but you won't believe what happens next when supply chain management, product selection, and order fulfillment get complicated without the right platform. Doba is a dropshipping platform that connects e-commerce sellers with suppliers. It offers product catalogs, automated order processing, and integration with online marketplaces like Shopify and Amazon. The surprising truth about Doba is that it simplifies product sourcing and fulfillment, while giving sellers access to vetted suppliers. You don't have to manage inventory or handle shipping, but you can still control pricing, listings, and margins. Most people get this wrong. They assume dropshipping eliminates all work. In reality, success requires product research, marketing, customer service, and careful margin calculations. Doba is best for new e-commerce entrepreneurs who want to start selling online without upfront inventory costs and need reliable supplier access. The surprising truth is that while dropshipping reduces logistical challenges, profitability depends heavily on market research and pricing strategy. Subscribe for more honest e-commerce and dropshipping reviews that help you make smarter business choices.